Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. Now let me see. Casserole of duck. Duck with cherries. Peking duck. Ah! Here we are, duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know you are. But what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip up something special. A surprise.
My mother told me to be aware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. They think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. But not my mother, though. No, she was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't eat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food before I bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It could be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I like to pound on puddle in the mud, take a stick back from the shallows. Then maybe as time goes sliding in the slime to the marsh we find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, wash water, boatman race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. You want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can't play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your stuff before the crunch. And you can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
Never had one before.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that? What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.
Oh, that's just those wretched people from the farm playing ball.
What are people?
What are people?